to my channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video, another Glow Up Diaries. I can't believe I'm actually on my 4th YouTube video. Like, the consistency is giving. But on today, oh, excuse the noise in the background. Excuse me, it's my washing machine. I'm on my last load. It's the half term. The boys are at their grandparents, so I'm trying to get everything done out of the way before they get back. On today's agenda, we are going to get our nails done. I'm literally on day 2 of my period, so I was planning on doing a maintenance vlog. I don't have the, you see me in my bonnet, like my hair is looking crazy underneath. I don't have the energy to sit and get braids done and just do all that stuff that goes in, but I do have the patience to get my nails done because they have been on for long and you see it's growing like quite a bit. So I'm gonna go and get that done, get a pedicure as well, come back home, fold clothes and defrost my fridge because we're getting a new fridge. We're getting a new fridge. Look at this, look at this fridge. Look at this fridge. Like, the door won't shut. Even the, what's it called, sellotape is not allowing it to shut. Like, it's crazy. So that is coming tomorrow morning. Right now I'm just eating my breakfast. We have a sausage and egg bagel and I'm having my greens, drinking my water of course, and just journaling for, I've started today to journal. Is another thing that I wanted to make sure I do in my Glow Up Diaries is that I start journaling. So we've started doing that today. I'm on the last little part of it and then we're gonna go get ready for our nail appointment. Our nail appointment is at 12. It's currently at 9 o'clock, so we've got an hour. Enough time to get ready, move slowly, have a shower, skincare, makeup, yeah. So I'm just gonna watch a bit of YouTube while I eat and then go and get ready. So I will see you at my vanity bestie. Hey besties, we've made it out of the shower. We're all dressed. Let's do some skincare, makeup and hair. But first, take our vitamins.
All I can think about is that since I seen you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know is done. So if you wanna go that way, ready for you, I'm ready for you, I'll let your body decide. This is good. Sugar, sweet, sweet, nice, me, sugar, light. 'Cause I wanna take a ride. Let me blow your mind. Ride it like that, I got the sweet and the spice and the everything nice. It's like that. Sugar, sweet, sweet, nice, me, keep it nice, me, sugar, sweet,
Drawers, no latex. Yeah, I got him butt naked for me waiting at home. Bitch, your pussy ain't hitting, think he taking too long. Told him put my name alone in book, that's his favorite cologne.
I'm yours for the summer, wanna drink until we.
Okay, besties, skincare is done. Let's do this here quickly and I'll be right back.
It's clean and pretty, you know, say you fit me. I'm me feel there we go, baby. That body, anywhere I go, she has to she want come. But the neighbors never feel me and kill them when them. I mean,
yeah. I would it tell us my love money breast trigger. Look ya baby, if my take fall in love again.
baby, it is obvious. just to see you. All the ex them up, cause baby it is obvious, you know. Baby it is obvious, you know. That I feelings can't store it cause it is obvious. Heart speed racing, I've been waiting now. And I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk. I will be by your side. I love the rhythm of your heartbeat. The way you pushing up on me. I can tell that you want me. Popped in. And I probably should have told you. Look at all these sparks fly. But I'm still wicked and sexual. It is so good, but I like it. Look at all these sparks fly. But I'm still indecisive. And she want me to wipe it, but I'm undecided. Bumbo clock. Yo, creep. In a long talk. Come make me put it on you. Right, repeat off to the draws in a flesh tonight. Real down to the dolly, but these niggas is to listen. No, 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 no. No long talk with the sex, I feel good. When you be long, baby girl, I chew them one. We're not in a long talk. Every that like this by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy? One girl when continental girl I take say PM for fire me target in excess, yes. Me do them beat down really dare me. Yeah, African girl are my African girls, them ice cold, but them warm touch take me to my places. American girls captivate me. If me not careful, them get all my life savings. My time sparing me, sure me can spare for you. Girl, if you want me, then you can. So you got to spare me. Say you like my chocolate. I'm free of time. Hearing is scary. So you got to pretty little baby face. No one could ever take your place. Predator calling you. Girl, only you can see me through. But take your place. Pretty little African dancer. Stay right in my corner. A pretty little baby face. African dancer. Stay right in my corner. The girl is mine. Oh, no, my never is. A pretty little baby face.
This song.
No one could ever take your place. Pretty little African dancer. Stay right in my corner.
Okay, besties, we are all finished. We're all finished. Let's go get my shoes on. Get my shoes on. Go get my shoes on. Obviously, we're just gonna do some sandals because we are getting our pedicure. And
You really look the gun.
we are getting our pedicure done. So
Okay.
these
Lucky win.
are the shoes.
Empty shot and leave it.
And look, oh!
So you're not playing this round?
No, I should have known it was too good to be true. I've got my shoes on and I just put on a different ankle bracelet. But yeah, besties, so I'm about to head out the door. Let's get to the nail shop. My girl Mimi, who I've been going to since I was in college. So let's hurry up and catch the train and head to the nail shop. I hope that is good. We have made it back home. Oh my gosh, like, I don't understand why it took so long. And these are the nails. Come on, you know they're tea. I got them changed. I really was over square, and I just feel like these are like, sorry about the noise as well, it's my fan, it's so hot in here, and yeah, I just feel like these are way more mature, you know, adult, giving adult, sophisticated, classy vibes. Clacky boo. But yeah, I love them. They are beautiful. And if you know me, you know I love a nude, I love a brown, I love a earthy, I love it. So yeah, these are my new set of nails, which I'm going to probably be doing from now on. I do want to grow these out so that way I can start doing biap instead of acrylic, because I want to grow out my real nail and just have an overlay. I did grow out my real nails, but because I wanted the shape changed is why I had to start again. But these are the nails. Let's make a little thumbnail. Beautiful. Okay, it is 20 to 4. Imagine, my appointment was for 12. I got there on time for once, and I didn't get seen till 1. So that's why it's minutes to 4 right now. I love my girl Mimi, but the timing's gotta be a bit quicker, because not me spending 3 hours in the nail shop. Like, what the fuck, bro? We gotta speed it up, you know? Anyway, I've only eaten, I really hope I'm in the frame properly as well, because I can't wait to buy my camera, my DJI, which will make me be able to see while I'm recording, so I know if I'm in the frame or not. But I think I am. But no, I'm gonna gift myself my camera and a new iPad to edit on when I've hit maybe 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. So don't forget to follow your girl. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Put on that bell so you never miss a Glow Up Diary, because if you're not following me by now, what are you doing? Who's watched that girl, Lena Lifts? Yeah, I love her. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, I'm hungry. So, should we put on some music? Or should we watch YouTube? I kind of want to watch YouTube and, like, you know, just give my head some thought space. My house is actually quite messy. It's not actually quite messy. What I need to do is fold these clothes and give the floor a really good hoover. But I think I'll do that after I get out of the shower. But for now, let's get the dinner on, hop in the shower, put our PJs on, and go do our evening skincare. Because you know me, I don't like to walk around the house with makeup on. We are out of the shower. We are out of the shower. My battery died halfway through cooking my dinner, so I thought I'd put it on charge. I'm so tired. I love my nails. They are so... Bro, let's just look at them again. Like, who is she? No, I love them. Anyway, I finished making my food and we are going to put on a mask because I'm so tired and I need to rejuvenate my face. So I'm just going to wipe it again with some micellar water. I did cleanse it in the shower. I took my makeup, I used double cleanser, so a melting balm, and then I used my gel cleanser. But I just like to make sure my face is clean. Ooh, look at this mask. Oh no. Been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna take it off now because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go and eat my food. Good night. Listen, it's too early, so I know I look rusty dusty, but we are gonna jump in the shower. As per, we're drinking our greens at the moment. We're gonna have a shower, do our skincare, then give this house a clean. Definitely unwrap the fridge. I can't wait for all my organisers to come next week. Hopefully those come by Friday. On the agenda today is 2 more home improvements. I got a light to go under the cupboard here. I do want to get some new, what do you call that stuff, liquid stuff, because those are looking a bit dusty. And the shoe rack. Look at these shoes. So these are going to be done today. Those are the 3 main things on the agenda. But first, let's get into the shower, do some skincare, and then start cleaning. this has been here for like 6 hours and I couldn't fill it up yet because you need to let the fridge settle and blah blah blah. So shopping is coming, and then my organisers are coming as well. So I'm going to get a drink one for up here to put my Red Bulls and my health drinks and that. I'm going to put my little ginger shots up here, and yeah, I've got an egg container and yeah, stuff for the fruit. It's all coming. But yeah, that's what we got for now. It's very dry. It's very empty. Okay, bestie, we are all ready. Looking cute. We are going to head out to dinner. We're going to eat at Nando's today because there's no food in the house. I want to spend a little time together. Let's go see what Papa has on. Are you ready? Let the vlog see a fit. Looking handsome, looking handsome. Yeah, yeah. Good morning, bestie. OMG. I'm so sick. Like, I don't know what happened. After we had the date, oh my god. After me and Mikhail went out to eat, I don't know, my throat started hurting the next morning, and then the next day I just got sick and sick and sick and sick and sick. So this is going to be the end of the vlog because I'm just going to take today to get myself better. Right now I'm just making some super greens with some mullein leaf and chlorophyll. Yeah, chlorophyll. Just taking that right now. I'm going to take some echinacea as well. It's really good for like sickness and stuff. And I'm taking the mullein leaf chlorophyll because my chest, it feels so excuse me, so congested. So today is definitely eating clean. I didn't really eat yesterday. I think I had breakfast in the morning, but I couldn't even finish eating that. So yeah, plans for today is getting myself better. So Monday we can be at 100%. I've currently been using a app called Structured to just keep myself accountable for, you know, my routine. And if you can see here, it's like the morning, these are the things I want to accomplish like straight away in the morning and throughout my day. These are like the main things. So obviously each day I add if there's something specific, like if I need to run an errand or go and have a meeting, phone call at work, whatever the case is. But my regular ones are structured in there. So that's what I'm trying to follow to keep on our glow up journey. But yeah, I'm really sad that I had to end the vlog here. But I just don't have the energy to do anything, to go anywhere. I just need to get myself better. The boys came back yesterday from their grandparents' house. So I'm just waiting for the shopping to come. And my, what do you call it? Organisers for the fridge. So excited about that. But yeah, literally, we're just staying in bed today. Taking our vitamins. Trying to get ourselves back to 100% by Monday. Bestie, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put on that notification button so you never miss a Glow Up Diary. And I will see you in the next vlog, bestie. Hopefully, no, I will be, not even hopefully, I will be better. And then next week we can be on our grind, work out, eat clean, take our supplements, all that kind of stuff to continue our glow up journey. I love you, bestie. See you in the next vlog. Bye.